little learners. Did you sing along with that song, Five Little Birds? That was a fun song. Well, we're going to make 5 little birds. 5 little birds, baby birds in a nest. So how we're going to do that is we're going to use our hands. So what Mrs. Mann did is I took some blue paint. I painted my hand blue. And then I stamped it on a piece of paper. So here is my hand. We're going to turn this into 5 baby birds, baby blue birds. So I'm going to leave that for now. And then I'm going to take this paper plate and I'm going to cut it in half because I'm going to make a nest. So I'm going to cut it right across the middle. I kind of made a little nest for my baby birds to sit in. So I'm going to color this nest. I'm going to put some crayon. You can paint it. I'm going to use some brown crayon, and then I have some shredded brown paper that I'm going to add onto it. Because when you look at a nest, what do the birds use to make their nests? Yeah, they gather a whole bunch of different things to make their nest. So I'm just going to color this some brown crayon. You can make your nest however you want. Maybe you just want to use some brown construction paper. That works too. There's my brown nest. I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to glue it on to the birds. Now my paint has dried. So now it just looks like 5 birds are peeking out, but we still have to add some detail. So, well, while we've got our nest here, let's add some of this. It almost looks like straw. Let's add a few of these for texture. Now, white glue might work a little bit better. We'll see how that sticks. And there's some on my nest. Now I'm going to make some beaks. So I've folded my paper in half and I'm going to cut a triangle on the fold. There, it just popped off. So this, I'm just going to glue one side of that beak and then I'll glue it onto my bird. So it almost looks like the beak is open. Hungry, hungry birds. So cute. So I'm going to make 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have one on there. So 5 little beaks. And what do those beaks, what are they looking for, do you think? What do birds like to eat? Yeah, they like worms. Let me get the beaks on there. I can hear them chirping already. I thought I was short a beak, but nope. One more. And then what you can do is you can, if you have googly eyes, you can use googly eyes. You could use, I'll make a couple here. You could use just white piece of paper. It's kind of tricky to cut because your baby birds aren't that big. But you could use little marker. Whoop. Yeah, it's pretty tiny. Googly eyes would work good. Or you could make them just like this, teeny tiny. Or I'm just going to actually take my marker and I'm just going to draw the eyes right onto my handprint because my paint has dried. there you go. So cute. Let's see if this stays on. So there you go. 5 little birds peeking out of the nest. We've made the nest. We've got their beaks. They're ready for their morning snack. So you can make 5 birds with your handprint. Have fun making your bird craft.